Let's divide 254 by 2. Hey awesome learners, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring the bell for more super fun math adventures. Alrighty, let's start dividing 254 by 2. Get ready, math explorers. We look at the first digit of 254, which is 2. We're using just this one digit for now. How many times does 2 fit into 2? You got it, it's 1. Let's check our work. 1 times 2 is 2. Now we subtract 2 minus 2 equals 0. Easy peasy. Fantastic start, you're doing awesome. We've got a remainder of 0. Let's move on to the next digit. Next up, we bring down the next digit, which is 5. Now we have 5 to work with. We bring down the 5 from 254. Our new number is 5. How many times does our divisor 2 fit into 5? Think hard. Let's multiply. 2 times 2 is 4. Subtract 4 from 5. What do you get? It's 1. You're on a roll. This is going great. We have a remainder of 1. Time to grab the last digit. Last step, we bring down the 4, making our number 14. We're almost there. We bring down the 4 next to the remainder 1, forming 14. How many times does 2 go into 14? Shout it out. Check this out. 7 times 2 equals 14. Subtract 14 from 14. We got 0. Hooray. Amazing work, you solved it. And that's it, no remainder, and our answer is 127. We did it. So 254 divided by 2 is 127 with no remainder. Great job, math whizzes. We just tackled dividing 254 by 2 step by step. Remember, each part of the process helps us find the answer. Keep practicing and you'll be a long division pro in no time. Woohoo, you crushed it. Keep exploring and learning with us at Let's Stud. See you in the next video.